Here I've got LG K8 2018, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we will quickly open IMEI numbers of your LG, so let's go to the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here they are. As you can see, you've got both IMEIs for both SIM cards to your LG. Click on OK to go back. And now we will open both IMEI and serial number through the settings. So let's open the settings at first, then go to the General, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. And now in Common, under Status, you will find IMEI number, so here it is. And if you will go back and open Hardware Info, you will be able also to check serial number, which is here. This is the one. And that's basically all. This is how you can locate both truly unique and important numbers for your LG K8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.